Love it. Hello.
What are you doing?
Dude, I'm multitasking. I'm doing my hair. Billy thinks I'm always running late, so now he can't complain. Today is a day of variety, so I'm going to take you along with me. I'm going to show you what life is kind of like when you're a content creator and as well as I'm a business owner. Just kidding. Well, this video is sponsored by Vidal Sassoon, which is one of my, you're going to see one of the tools that I've got in my kit that actually allows me to be a bit more fluid and stylish, which is not right now, but I will be soon. First, I'm going to get my nails done and then I'm going to do my hair somewhere, highly likely in my car, and then we'll just carry on with the day. We'll just see how it goes down. Ciao, ciao. I always choose white. We've now moved to the pedicure section. Oh, thank you. Now about 1 p.m. The nails are done, footsies are done, and we're about to head out to the next meeting. Let me show you what's in my kit for a day like today. My laptop, my trusty Unbound cordless hair styler, fashion, which I'm going to shoot, my vlogging camera kit, pair of shoes, and those shoes go with everything, and then my umbrella and my curler on the go. What else could you ask for? So now I've just gone to collect some packages and then I'm waiting for a friend so I can go drop him off. After that, I'm gonna head off to a meeting. Anyway, while we're here, I may as well do my hair. So this is the Unbound straightener and curler. It's cordless. And this is why this has been a lifesaver for me. Look at the size of this. It fits into my bag. Like honestly, I have a very oversized bag and I think it's a bit extra because I don't really need that kind of oversize anymore because everything is becoming more and more compact. See on the inside, that is straightening and on the outside is for waves. Locking function there. So if I unlock that, there we go. Now it's open and then see here, so the little circle means off and then you've got the little straight lines, the straight lines, that's the straightening mode. And then you've got the wavy, like the wave looking icon, which means you're going to curl your hair, so that then heats this. But I think I'm just going to start off with straightening, so we'll turn that on. What did we ever do before these things were invented? I don't know. Just hold out the sides like that. This has just made waiting so much more efficient. I feel like I'm buying time. Just gonna do this side. Okay, so I'm only gonna straighten loosely because I actually want some loose waves up the front. I'm just gonna tame this a little bit. So I'm gonna switch this to the waving section and then this inside part is going to cool down and then what's gonna happen, this part's gonna warm up. Ooh, yep, I can feel it now. Maybe guys, don't do this at home. Check that out. So, by the time Offa's done with his rehab exercise, we will be good to go. The waving part is my favorite because it's so okay. What? I love this. I just want 2 cute little waves at the front to look effortlessly chic. So now I just turn that off, turn the lock on, and then pop it in this little thing. Good timing. How is rehab?
Hello.
How's your shoulder?
Oh, estoy bien. Gracias.
Do you like my hair?
Oh, yeah.
Just sit in the car. In the
Just
car.
in here?
Yeah.
Really
It brings out the dimension of my hair color.
Yes, really good.
Let's go. So we are now here. What we're going to do basically talk about a production that has been completed. So I'm just going to go and check the footage, do a little bit of feedback. That's it for this chunk of the day. Should we do a quick touch up? Nobody got hurt from a quick hair touch up? Yes. Okay, so now that's finished. Quick little touch up done. How was your day?
Good. Very good.
I can tell.
Chill.
This is going to be my editing spot. Let me just check first if it's too bright to be sitting in the sun and editing. I'm going to be here for a couple of hours editing. What do you reckon? Is that all right?
Yeah, go hard.
And then Billy will just come and pick me up. This isn't normal, by the way. I normally work at a desk, but it's just, today is a lucky day. So I'll be here if you need me. And now this is what I'm going to be spending the next couple of hours doing. I'm just going to be editing some photos and I'll probably hop into one of my presentations and edit that. Love it. Hello.
What are you doing?
Dude, I'm multitasking.
Wow.
I'm doing my hair. Billy thinks I'm always running late, so now he can't complain. Have you seen this? Yes, it's the Unbound. I'll show you how it works. Take a little bit of hair.
Wow.
Yes, I've been busy while you have been relaxing. So you just pop the hair in there. All right, I'm gonna press this. But important thing is, it's good if you have brushed your hair. It helps it go into the curler a lot smoother. It's ready.
Oh, beautiful.
It's been a very productive day, hasn't it? Dun, 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 dun. I use the 200-degree setting, but you can go as low as like 160. I use this little opening as a guide, and then ta-da! And then it counts seconds. 1, 2, 10, and then it double beeps when it's done. Because I'm changing sides, okay, I'm gonna change, I don't know if you will be able to see it, but I'm just gonna change the direction of the curl. This was the on button, and see there's like letter, numbers. I'll tell you what that is. Using this button over here, you can change the mode. If it's blinking, that means you can change it. The letter over here, there's L and R, that is the direction of the curl. That's the temperature. Then that is the time, that's in seconds. So let's say if I say I want 6 seconds, I just use this button to make the changes. Let's say I'm happy with 10 seconds, we want to lock that in. Then we click on that one. And say I want to change my temperature to like 200. Then lock that in. Type that one. And let's say I want to change the direction of the curl. If it's blinking, I can change it. So there's L, that's mixed curls, or right. And see down here, can you see that? That's your battery. It tells you how much battery life you've got left. And here on the bottom, which I couldn't show you properly, is like where you plug in the cord to charge by USB. And then this is the button to activate. I like looser curls, but dinner is not for another couple of hours. I just wanted it to be curly so that it can relax. I'm just gonna change my outfit and we're good to go. But I don't know, I feel like maybe I could just, do you reckon I could just do this outfit for dinner?
Maybe just change your shirt.
Yeah, okay, yeah, good idea. Thank you. It is dinner time. It has been very productive, and like I mentioned, like a lot of variety today. Every now and then these days happen where you start off a little bit of beauty, a little bit of meetings, pool time, a little bit of pool time, and yeah, so now all I'm going to do is change. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any comments or questions, or any comments or questions about how this goes down. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. If you like this video, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios. Adios.
I'm here breaking my neck, looking over my shoulder. Stepped into your skin, got me tripping over myself. Figured I would say something, passing the time. If you come on over